Welcome to my greenhouse. I'm Rita with Everything Homemade, and we call this greenhouse the pepper greenhouse. Yes, there's not just peppers in here, but there is mostly peppers. We're talking about 175 pepper plants in this greenhouse. I've got a little bit of cucumbers, watermelon, cantaloupe, vining over here. There's some stevia kind of in the middle of this greenhouse and a little bit of basil here. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite pepper plants of all time. Out of the Mennonite stuffing peppers that I grow, the bell peppers that I grow, nothing compares to the Italian Tollies Sweet Peppers. They are absolutely delicious and are always loaded. It doesn't matter what kind of season you have. If it's a little bit cooler, they are just loaded with peppers. I mean, take a look at this plant. There is more peppers on this plant than the plant. It is amazing. And it just keeps on going. Take a look. This is my hand here. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, they're good size. They're a sweet pepper. They have awesome flavor. They're a little bit shorter than your bell peppers, which makes them nice if you have a small space. And they always set fruit early. So Grace is going to grab scissors and she's going to snip off a pepper here. Please. And you just snip the top off just like that. Beautiful. Now, Grace, you get to do the best part of this video. You get a taste test. So what I want you to do, you guys, before she eats, I know you want to eat it, don't you? Listen to the crisp sound when she bites it through it. Okay, Grace, I'm ready. Oh, yeah. And the flavor. I know the flavor. It is out of this world. It's sweet. It's fresh. It's crisp. And it's full of flavor. Did I hit it all right?
Yes.
Okay, did you want to add anything else? Did I miss anything?
It's delicious.
It tastes like a pepper, right? Okay, so what I want you to do, Grace, is just eat that down till you get to the seeds. Then I'm going to talk about the seeds for a moment, okay? Mm-hmm. Enjoy it, okay? So these peppers are great for northern environment because they don't need a long growing season. We are zone 2 and 3 here. These peppers do great zone 1, 2, and 3. I mean, if you got any pepper to choose from, definitely choose these. They set early. Like when I am transplanting these peppers into the pot, all the other peppers here that you see aren't even beginning to flower at all, while the Tollies are already flowering, getting ready to set fruit. And that is about 7 weeks after I start them from seed. They are amazing. And that's why by mid-August, we already have peppers to harvest. The only reason why I haven't picked all these red peppers is because I'm letting the seeds mature. And this is where I want to talk about the seeds. When your pepper turns color, you don't want to pick it right away if you want to save seeds. I actually have them on the plant for at least 3 to 4 weeks after they have turned color, and then the seeds begin to mature inside. Let me tell you, peppers can stay a long time on the plant, okay? So that is how I save seed. And with the Tollies, I'm guaranteed to have seed. And these guys are just so beautiful, firm, oh, and absolutely delicious. Plus, you get such a bounty of them. It's amazing. So, Grace, have you finished?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, come more over here. So, take a look at all those seeds. So, this is exactly what you want to see. Nice, mature seeds. Now, peppers have got to be one of the easiest fruit to save seeds. Literally, all you have to do is run your finger down it, flick those seeds off, literally, right? Put them in a bowl and then just let them air dry. Like, you love doing that. It is so simple, isn't it?
Yeah.
You just let them air dry until they're fully dry, 1 to 2 weeks. Just have them hanging out in the bowl. Then store them. And that is it. when it comes to saving peppers. The biggest thing is, in order to get these nice mature seeds, you got to leave them on the plant for a little longer. If you pick them right away just as they turn red, well, you know the story. They just won't have much seed. If they have, because they start maturing it after they turn red. Okay, so we got to save that, Grace. Otherwise, I highly recommend, again, the name is Italian Tollies Sweet Peppers. I will have the name written in the description box below. And if you're in Canada, look at the website closer to December of this year, 2024, and I will have these seeds on my website for sale along with all the other garden seeds. And you will be amazed, you guys. Whatever you can, definitely grow these peppers if you are in a short season. You won't be disappointed. Okay, take care, and I will see you on the next video.